The sexual assault trial of 5 former Canadian World Junior hockey players came to an abrupt halt when all 5 defense lawyers wrapped up their evidence. The final witness called in this case was London police detective Lindsay Ryan. She told the court that she was ordered to reopen the case in 2022 after the female complainant settled a lawsuit with Hockey Canada that year. Officer Ryan said after the initial investigation in 2018 was closed with no charges being laid, we wanted to make sure any loose ends were tied up properly. She said when she first contacted the woman, she was actually quite upset. I felt pretty bad. I got the sense that I was opening up something she was trying to close. The officer added, I found it quite normal based on my experience in dealing with sexual assaults. 5 hockey players would eventually be charged in this case. Cal Foote, Carter Hart, Alex Formanton, Dylan Dubé, and Michael McLeod have all pled not guilty to sexual assault. The charges stem from an alleged incident involving a lone female and a group of men in room 209 at the Delta Armories Hotel in London in June of 2018. The players were in town at that time for a Hockey Canada gala to celebrate their gold medal win at the World Juniors earlier that year. Following the testimony of Detective Ryan, the remaining 2 defense lawyers told the court that they had no evidence to call, putting the onus on the Crown to prove its case. Nick Cake is a defense lawyer who has been taking in the trial.
I think it was the right decision to make. I mean, ultimately, the Crown holds the burden. So the Crown has to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The defense does not have to prove innocence.
The trial is now adjourned until next Monday, when we are expected to start hearing the closing arguments of all 5 defense lawyers and the Crown. That process could take 2 to 3 days before the case is in the hands of Justice Maria Carrasilla for her decision. Nick Paparella, CTV News.